There's a fucking truck on fire with gas bottles in my neighborhood. Look at this shit. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Woo! Shit, it was fucking scary. I don't want to get close to that shit. Holy fuck, I'm scared. I don't want to get hit by shrapnel. Glad I'm wearing armor. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Fuck this shit! Fuck! I hide behind my motorcycle. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Everything's on fire! Holy shit! Holy shit, the whole fucking neighborhood's on fire!